Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I'm going to show you this look, so if you're interested in learning how, then keep watching. First, I'm going to take our Tartelette Toasted palette and buff the shade Cashmere into the crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Warmth and putting that deeper into my crease and just blending upwards. Now to deepen that even further, I'm taking the shade Cozy and also buffing that into the crease and blending upwards and outwards. Now I'm taking our Shape Tape Contour Concealer on an angled brush, and I'm going to create that cut crease look, and I'm just going to blend it outwards. Do the same thing on the other eye. And then I actually set that with a translucent setting powder just to make sure there was no creases. Now I'm going in with our new Sea Glass eyeshadow in the shade Life's a Beach. So pretty. And just applying that everywhere that you put the concealer. Now I'm going in with another shade of our Sea Glass eyeshadow in the shade Shady Beach. I'm just blending that outwards. Now I'm tapping into our Tarte Pro Remix palette, and I'm taking the shade Artist and just packing that on top of that blue shade. Now I'm taking the shade Mashup, which is that bright purple, and just putting that in the outer V. Then just blend all those together, take off the tape, and it's time to do the lower lash line. So I'm going to buff the shade Cozy from our Tartelette Toasted palette onto the lower lash line. Now I'm popping on our cruelty-free falsies in the style Wifey. Same on the other eye, super easy because there's a clear flexi band. Now I'm going to magically finish my face, and there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Until next time.